Okay, so this is my new Christmas present. Something I've wanted for a while. And if you saw my video on the Dewalt string trimmer, this is a Dewalt 18-inch chainsaw. Hold on. There we go. Alrighty. Good packaging. The all-important instruction manual. Packaging. Basically just the saw. Awesome. So, comes with the chain already on. A little taut, but it looks pretty nice. I guess I should give a little background on this. I've had shoulder surgery and elbow surgery, and while I have a steel gas chainsaw with a 18-inch bar that works really well, the doctors have told me I shouldn't really be pulling on the pull string, and because sometimes it can snap back at you, it can hurt your shoulder and stuff. So part of this was, hey, it's a new toy. But part of this, I think it'll give me the ability to do a little bit of cutting here and there. It's not like I'm going out and cutting, from dawn till dusk. I have a tree down in the front yard I'm actually going to test this on, and we'll see that in the video here in a minute. But basically, maybe an hour at a time, go out, cut up a little bit of stuff, and do that kind of thing. I'm not saying it can't do it an all-day job, but for what I want, I think this is perfect. I don't have to keep 2-cycle gas out there mixed for it. I don't have to do all the stuff you have to do with a gas engine. I just have to charge my battery and go. So I have... Now this is tool only. You always have to watch that whenever you buy anything like this. If you don't already have something in that family, you need to make sure you have a battery and a charger. But if you already have the battery and charger, then you can buy the tool only. It's cheaper and go from there. So let me go get my battery and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so I have two options here. So this is my 9-amp battery that I had with my string trimmer and other tools. So these guys are really good batteries. It's got a checker on it too. I've charged it, but they're expensive. They're $120, $150, something like that for the battery. I treated myself to this guy as a test. So this was on Amazon for like 40 bucks. So I'll see how this goes. I charged this one as well. Yep. So this is also a 60 volt. It's supposed to be compatible. It is a little smaller. I don't know if that has anything to do with the amount of power it'll have or how long it'll last, but we'll see. And let me see here. If I take that off, I'm going to slip this in here. Snap. And you just got a thumb lock. You push, I'm sorry, you can't probably see that. A thumb lock here, push down, and pull the trigger. So we're going to go outside and give that a shot and see what we can do. There is an oil mechanism somewhere. I have to look that up, and I'll show you that outside. Okay, I was just having a hard time seeing where the bar and chain oil went. That was pretty stupid. It's right here. And, oh, we got a little gasket. It looks like it came out of the cap. Don't want to lose that. All right. Fill this up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just a little too much. That's okay. Let that run off that way. I just brought the Dewalt battery out. So I've got this tree down over here. It's been raining all morning, but I'm gonna go ahead and see what we can get done, clean it up with this. So you can see it's good solid wood, not at all rotten. Cutting right through it. Gonna try a little bigger piece down here. Cutting right through. I'm very happy. Yeah, you can tell, not near the noise. You can't tell, but also not near the vibration. So besides not having to pull the pull string, there's less vibration on you. So I really like it. I highly recommend it. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe.